Hi mga Katidonatics and mga Samsung lovers! Napanood niyo ba? We just launched our next foldable devices, the Galaxy Fold 8 Ultra, the Galaxy Fold 8, Galaxy Flip 8, and of course, two new watches like the Galaxy Watch 9, the 40 and 44mm, and of course, the much awaited sports watch of the year, which is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. I am the first in Cebu that will actually show you how nice these devices that was launched recently. Alright? So, tapos na ang mga haka-haka o itong mga chismis kung kinsa man itong mga nag-release ng mga contents online. Now, you don't have to worry anymore. Ayaw na pag-rely dito sa mga contents na nakita ninyo kay ngano man. Dahil ako nagyod ang magpakita ninyo kung unsa kanindot ang bagong foldable devices natin. Kaya, let's get into it after this. So, disclaimer tayo mga Katidonatics, wala ba tong mga reviews or something ha? Kani is literally unboxing lang, okay? So, unahin natin sa listahan na i-unbox natin is ang Galaxy Z Flip 8. Okay, what we have is, ang color is color pink. Nako, sa mga girly na to, diha, mga bayot, diha dapita. So, maujud ni siguro ang inyong pinaka-ganahan na color sa Galaxy Z Flip 8. Let's start the unboxing. Yes. Alam mo yung feeling na nag-unbox ka ng hindi to sa'yo? Now, I'm the first in the Cebu na makakapag-unbox. What the heck, guys? This is the newest Galaxy Z Flip 8. Right. Z Flip 8. Ito yung camera facing niya. Ito siya, bagong-bago. Hindi na siya kapareha atong Z Flip 7 na kanang coral red. Now it's a light pink color na yun. Ang napansin ko sa siya is murag nilapad ko siyang maayo. Like if when you fold it, ay, nindot na kay siya. Right. Yes, so this is the newest Galaxy Z Flip 8. I-fold na to siya. What the heck? Ang ganda. This is the sides. This is here. Yan yung camera facing. Ito yan siya. And nabantayan ako guys ha, mas nigaan good siya. So yung camera facing, tanggalin natin. This is the latest Galaxy Z Flip 8. So yes, ako na-notice good is like apart from the color itself, mas nigaan, mas ninipis, ug mas nilapad siya. Feeling na ko pareha ni ka-size ng Galaxy S26 Ultra. And that's it. This is the newest Galaxy Z Flip 8. So, ito na ngayon yung pinakagusto ko sa bagong lineup ng Galaxy Z Fold 8 series because ito yung pinaka-unique. Ito yung newest na foldable na makaingon ka nga, wow, parang kakaibang fold na to. At ito na nga yun, yung Galaxy Z Fold 8. And let's do the unboxing. Guys, hindi ko na kayo kinukuna ng na kung paano ko siya binubuksan kasi ang importante, makita ninyo kung unsa kanindot ang bagong design ni Galaxy Z Fold 8. Okay? This is the newest and the unique, and what I have is the color lavender. I'm opening it right now, mga Katidonatics. What the? Guys, ito na yun. What the heck? Let's unpeel. Kakaiba yung feeling, guys. What? Ang ganda! Uy! This is it! Ang nipis! Sobrang ganda! Kasyang-kasya to sa bulsa kung tutuusin. And this is the color lavender. Guys, ang ganda-ganda. Wow, guys, tingnan nyo kung gano'ng ganda yung Fold 8. Woo! Gano'ng kanipis. You open it sa mga mahilig magdula og mga games, this is one of the unique devices na gi-release ni Samsung, and ito yung pinaka-gusto kong size, perfect size sa akong palm, kasi mura na siyang passport kadako, no? But if you unfold it, boom! Para siyang mini tablet. But however, you notice you guys, is dalawa lang yung camera. I don't care. What matters for me is how packetable it is, how nice, how thin, and how powerful this device. Guys, this is the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Woo! Bang! 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 This is actually the time of the year na, alam mo yon, yung super duper excited ko sa every time na magre-release sila ng bagong foldable, because this is the time of the year na very unique yun ang mga gina-release na foldable device si Samsung, and first ever si Samsung always yung nag-upgrade, nag-improve sa ilang mga foldable device. But now, this is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Right. Kanina, Z Fold 8 lang. Nakakabantay mo, mga kadito-natics, mga Samsung lovers, duha ka fold nag-release, Z Fold 8, and now, the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Let's do the unboxing. Hindi na natong palamiun pa. Kaya of course, kinahanglan natong makita kung sa dyan kanindot ang Z Fold 8 Ultra. And I'm now opening the box. What I have is the color violet shadow. This is the first time nakakita kong nindot kayo ang pagka-violet niya, kay dark violet. Meron siyang metallic black, metallic violet, dark violet. Nindot yung kayo. Wow! Wala na ni mo mabantayan ng crease, mga kadito-natics. Grabe na yun. Og sa tanang fold, kanidyo ng pinakaganahan ako na color. Kay murag siya kanang may black na may metallic violet, and I don't know how, but it's almost actually similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. What's nice, it's because mas madali na siyang buksan. Mupitik yun siya nga kadito na, kasi look how nice it is. This is the camera facing, right? This is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and how light it is, how thin it is. This is very nice. Woo! Check natin. Meron pa pala itong stickers, mga kadito-natics. What the heck? This is the most powerful foldable device na gina-release ever ni Samsung. Oh, look how nice the color. Color na lang. Ito na lang, oh. Ang ganda ng color. Dark violet. For me, this is dark violet, ha. Pero meron siya pa yung pagka-shade of black. But it's almost actually similar to the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. What's nice is this is the most powerful foldable device na gina-release ni Samsung. This is how it looks like. It's how thin it is. Ang crease, guys. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo ang crease. The camera facing. And this is how is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Nahuman na ta sa mga foldable devices. Now let's proceed with the newest Galaxy watches, which is the Watch 9 series. So what I have now is the Galaxy Watch 9 40mm and the Galaxy Watch 9 44mm, right? What I have here, what I'm holding right now is actually the cream color, and the other one is the color graphite. Now, I will let you know the difference between the two in terms of sizes, which is the perfect size for you, okay? So, what I'm opening right now is the Galaxy Watch 9 40mm in cream color. Let's do the unboxing. Right. Tingnan natin. It's actually, based on my observation, it's almost actually similar to the size and design of the Galaxy Watch 8. So this is the 40mm. This is in cream color. So hindi nyo, mahalata nyo kasi na cream color siya is because yung side niya is color silver. So this is the front facing, while the other one at the back, this is the design at the back, and this is how thick and how thin, so this is how thin it is. Now, let me actually check. Lalagay natin, ibutang nato ang strap niya. It's actually underneath. So, this is it. So, I'm gonna snap it in. That's how easy to snap the watches from Samsung. So, this is the Galaxy Watch 40mm in cream color. It's all actually so almost similar to the design of the Galaxy Watch 8. But however, this is more powerful than the predecessor. Now, let's proceed with unboxing the 44mm. So, what I have right now is the color graphite. Let's do the unboxing. Alright. Snap it in. Remove the seal. This is the 44mm. This is the front facing. This is the back. And this is how thin it is. Now, ang na-notice lang nako kasi katong sa Watch 8 series, medyo may pagka-grayish yung color. Now, with the Watch 9 44mm na color, graphite, parang mas darker yung pagka-black niya. Right? This is how it is. Let's actually get the strap. So you can actually compare which is the perfect size for you, whether the 40mm and or the 44mm. What I also noticed is actually the design of the strap. As you notice, so this is how it looks like if meron na siyang strap. Okay? And also, you will also notice the design of the strap. Okay? Meron siyang pailalim. Pailalim ba? Meron siyang paana. Yan. So, this is the 40mm in cream color and this is the 44mm in graphite color. As you notice, this is the comparison between the sizes. This is the 40 and this is the 44. That's how nice it is, guys. So, these are the two Watch 9 series na gi-release ni Samsung, the 40mm and the 44mm. Right! Okay, this is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Merong Galaxy Ultra na 2024. Meron ding Galaxy Watch Ultra na 2025. Now, we have the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So, what we have right now is the color titanium gray. Ingon nila kay mas nipis. Yes, that's true. Mas nipis yun ni sa Watch Ultra 2024. Mas nipis po ni sa Watch Ultra 2025. Now, yes, ablihan na nato ang Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Alright. Let's peel it off. Okay. And here we... What I'm using right now is the Galaxy Watch 2025. And this is the 2026, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This is the front facing. This is the sides. Okay. Yes. And ikabit natin yung strap. And ay mas maganda yung strap nito. So this is how easy it is to snap it in. So this is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Right? With strap na siya mga kadito-natics and mga ka-Samsung lovers. Okay, ito yung strap niya. Yan. apakaganda ng mga newest Galaxy foldable devices na gi-launch ni Samsung a while ago. Meron tayong Galaxy Z Flip 8, Galaxy Z Fold 8, and of course, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Appeal po ang atong Galaxy Watch 9 series and the newest sports watch ni Samsung, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So available ni for viewing here in Samsung Experience Store Ayala Center, Cebu. And of course, appeal po ang Samsung Experience Store SM City Mabolo ug ang tanang Junior Store. Available na here for viewing, right? Pwede na mo ma-explore, pwede na mo mahawiran, pwede na mo man-navigate, pwede na mo makitaan kung unsa kanindot itong mga foldable devices nga ni-release ni Samsung. Pre-order will kick in starting today up until August 13, so feel free to approach any of our Team Galaxy here in Samsung Experience Store Ayala Center, Cebu. Appeal po ng Samsung Experience Store SM City Mabolo ug ang tanang Junrex Store across Cebu. Once again, mga kadito natigs, I am Dudong dito na nag-iwan ng kasibihan. Stay safe and always stay awesome. Bye for now, guys!